Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting through all the hype. We want to give you the real insights on using AI tools to maybe make some money online in 2025. Our mission, it's pretty straightforward. We want to show you how you might earn online, like the sources say, with no experience, no fancy degree needed, just your internet time and a little action. So, okay, let's unpack this today. We're going to focus on specific tools, ones that you could potentially use to earn money, like right now. All right, let's kick things off. First up, ChatGPT. I mean, we've all heard about it, but how does it actually help someone make money beyond just, asking it fun questions?
Right. Well, the real power here isn't just generating text. It's about completely bypassing writer's block. Think about it. You can rapidly prototype, I don't know, dozens of headlines, blog outlines, product descriptions, even YouTube scripts really fast, in minutes. Then you can put your energy into refining the best ideas, not staring at a blank page.
Okay, so it's about speed and quantity first.
Exactly. It lets you produce high-quality content, but at scale. And then you can sell that content. Think platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or maybe even reaching out directly to local businesses. Our sources, they suggest you could earn maybe $20 to $100 per project on average.
$20 to $100, okay.
Yeah, and a quick tip. Definitely combine ChatGPT with something like Grammarly, just to polish it up, make it look really professional.
That makes sense. A huge efficiency boost for content creators. But, okay, once you have the words, you usually need visuals, right? So let's pivot. Canva AI. It's known for graphic design, but what about its AI features? Things like magic resize, magic design. What do they do for earning potential?
Well, Canva AI isn't just about making things look good. It's really about making them fast and versatile. Take magic resize. You create one design, say for Instagram, click, it instantly adapts it for a Facebook cover, click again, a LinkedIn banner. It just handles all that tedious resizing.
Okay, that saves a ton of time.
Oh, a ton.
Yeah.
And magic design. You can basically give it a text prompt, and it generates like whole presentations or social media graphics, gives you a really strong starting point, even if you're not a designer yourself.
Right.
So this speed means you can crank out logos, social posts, presentations quickly, and sell them as a freelancer.
And where would you sell those?
Platforms like 99 Designs Are Good or People Per Hour. You could potentially make, say, $10 to $50 per design.
Okay, 10 to 50. So we've got text covered, visuals covered. What about sound? This is where ElevenLabs comes in. And honestly, this sounds pretty amazing. An advanced AI voice tool, realistic voiceovers. So you're telling me someone could make like an audiobook intro without actually speaking?
Exactly. And we're not talking about those old robotic voices,
Yeah, the clunky ones.
Right. ElevenLabs uses really advanced neural networks. It infuses the voices with emotion, inflection, makes them sound incredibly human, almost indistinguishable sometimes. It's a total game changer for things like explainer videos, podcast intros, maybe audiobooks where that tone really matters.
Wow. And the earning potential.
Voiceover jobs, according to the sources, could range from $5 to $50 each. And yeah, the most intriguing part, you literally don't need to speak. The AI does the work.
That just opens it up for so many people. Okay, building on that AI voice strength, let's talk Pictory.ai. This apparently takes it further, turning text into actual video content. How does that work?
Yeah, think of Pictory.ai as like your personal video production assistant. You feed it text.
Just text?
Just text. And it generates a pretty high-quality video. It adds an AI voice, background music, even finds relevant stock footage to match. It's quite clever.
Okay, and what would you use that for?
It's perfect for creating things like YouTube Shorts or those faceless videos you see everywhere.
Right, where you don't see the person.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Content where the message comes through visuals, text, and that AI voice. Or even quick ads for clients. The sources we looked at mentioned potential income of maybe $100 to $500 per month if you do it consistently. That's, decent side income. Could even be full-time if you scale it up.
That is powerful. But look, with all these tools, creating content, visuals, videos, and maybe finding clients, organization must become really important.
Oh, absolutely.
Our sources pointed to Notion AI for this. For freelancers, how does it kind of tie everything together?
Right. Notion AI basically acts as your central command center for freelancing. It helps you manage all that client communication, draft professional emails, proposals. It can even help you brainstorm new content ideas, keep track of all your projects and deadlines. It's like having an AI assistant built in.
So it helps you juggle everything.
Pretty much. It makes it much easier to handle, say, 3 or 4 clients at once without getting overwhelmed. And when you combine that organizational power with the other AI tools we discussed, well, you can really scale your income. It sort of empowers you to become what some call a full-stack freelancer, someone who can handle lots of different parts of a project themselves.
Okay, wow. So just to recap, we've gone through quite a range today. ChatGPT for content, Canva AI for design,
11 Labs for those really realistic voiceovers.
Pictory.ai for turning text into video, and then Notion AI to kind of manage it all and scale up.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture,
Yeah.
these tools offer immense potential. They really do empower almost anyone with an internet connection to build an income stream. But, and this is the key thing from all our sources, they amplify your effort. They don't replace it. They won't work unless you actually do the work.
Right. Action is still required.
Absolutely. So I guess the big question for you, the listener, is which one of these tools are you going to pick? Which one will you decide to really master first and start building that skill that pays?
That's the challenge, something to think about. Take this information, consider what immediate steps, what actionable things you can do right now. Thanks for diving